What if you buy yourself a mountain fresh hand-picked Greek tea and infuse your gin? Let's find out. Let's drop together. Greek tea. So Greece is our second home. A lot of chosen family lives there. So we bought this Greek tea, very strong, and I infused some gin with it, as you always do, like with some loose tea. And today we're gonna find out how a MarTEAni tastes with some infused gin. Let's get to the ingredients. The ingredients. Today we have some infused gin already. Mine was in the fridge for 4 days and I mean it looks very different. The gin was white and now it's kind of brownish from the Greek tea. I gave for a bottle of gin 2 teaspoons because my tea is really strong. But it depends on the tea, on the taste, if it's minty, if it's strong, if you will see what's best for your gin. And the first time I saw this recipe was a Earl Grey MarTEAni at the Educated Barfly, and I didn't have Earl Grey tea, and I infused it with this Greek tea, and it's amazing. So the next substitute and my recipe is the Licor 43. It's lemony and it tastes amazing with this Greek gin. I can't tell you what's happening, but I substituted and I just experimented with the Licor 43 and this ingredient was amazing. So get yourself a bottle for this recipe, the 43. We need some simple syrup and some prominent lemon juice. Today we don't have lime juice, it's lemon juice. Because I think for the Greek mentality, lemons are better. And it's fresher and refreshing and it's kind of an homage to our family in Greece. So cheers to that. And that's it. That's all you need for the MarTEAni, for the special Greece MarTEAni. Let's build the cocktail. Let's get that to the side so we have some space for our shaker. The shaker here. And some jigger. I start with the gin and I take 45 ml. It's 3/4 of an ounce of this special gin. It's really enough because it's really strong and the taste shouldn't be overpowering the liquor and the simple syrup and the lemon juice. So just take 45 ml and is 15 ml or half an ounce of this liquor. It's also very sweet, so don't overpower it. It tastes and it smells like lemons from Spain. I mean, it's really good. And some simple syrup. This is also really sweet, so we're taking 7.5 ml or 1/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Just a little bit, so it's not too sweet. And we have the lemon juice, 1 ounce of lemon juice. You think that's too much, but I tell you this and this combined with some really on the sweeter end, you need more of the lemon juice. So we really need 1 ounce of lemon juice. So that's it. That's the whole story about it. And the shaking ice cubes, thank you very much. I put it in the second shaker part, so you can really take it in there and shake. 30 seconds. It's getting hot in here. Already you smell the lemon and the Greek tea, some mint notes. It's really good. Let's get that to the side and take our little glass here, a MarTEAni glass, an homage to the MarTEAni. We have a MarTEAni glass here and a strainer just to get everything out. Look at that color. It's really amazing. Every bit of alcohol and of the cocktail is really important. Get everything out. Let's get to the sides. Get yourself a little bit of mint. Put it on the rim. Like that. When it's sticky. Amazing. And then tasting. Cheers. So, the tasting. It's like you're standing in the Greek mountains with some herbs of the gin, a little bit of sweetness, punches you in the face, a little bit from the Licor 43, just really tingling your nose, and it's beautiful, really. It's really beautiful. Just taste my recipe, the little Greek MarTEAni, as I call it. Take yourself, your partner, spouse, sibling, parent, dog or cat. We're for everyone here. And for us, it's for our best friends in Greece, in Kos. You know who you are. Cheers to you guys, really. We love you all.